Hello everyone, my name is Brady Haislet. I'm an application engineer here at 3M, and today we're going to talk through cleaning prior to any paint application. Now, before we get started, you of course want the appropriate personal protective equipment. While we're masking, you'll want to have your safety glasses working in the shop and any cut-resistant gloves for any cutting you need to do. But if you're using any cleaning solvents, you'll want to have gloves on as well as the appropriate respirator for the solvents you're using. This video is intended for professional audiences such as a body shop or a restoration shop. And if you have any questions about safety or warranty info, there are links in the description below. Now, cleaning is a very important step for any paint application. And if you happen to have a new car that's coming into your shop, you of course want to make sure that you power wash that vehicle or sent it through the car wash if you happen to have one at your shop. And after any repairs, there's going to be some dust and debris from any sanding on that car. So you'll want to make sure you clean all of that off before you even start to mask. We recommend you start with a waterborne cleaner because they take a little bit longer to dry, and then follow up with a solvent-borne cleaner. And that's prior to masking. When we get to that masking step, it's great if you can mask inside the booth, but if you can't, try to do that as close to the booth as possible, such as a paint prep bay if you're lucky enough to have one of those. Now, once you get it all cleaned and masked as much as you can before you roll it into the booth, you want to make sure you're not getting any contamination on it. Make sure your hands are clean. Move that into the booth. You can finish out your final masking, and then you just introduce some final debris onto that repair area. So you'll want to go through those cleaning steps one more time. Start with that waterborne cleaner, finish up with a solvent-borne cleaner, and then after you've given it enough time to dry, you'll come back and do your final tack wipe over that repair area just before you're ready to spray. One thing we recommend is not using any blowguns inside the booth because that can stir up some dust and debris, and ultimately that may land in your finish. Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next installment in this paint application series. And if you like the content, feel free to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. And for more content like this, follow the links for the Collision Repair Academy below. We'll see you next time.